Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom chemistry app. Today in this video we will find the number of electron, proton and neutron of an atom or element. So for calculating or finding the number of electron, proton and neutron, we have to follow the following steps. Here we have a table in which we have to write the number of particles and how to find. First we will take the number of proton. How can we find the number of proton? We have an example of oxygen atom. Its atomic number is 8 and its mass number is 16, and the atomic number are represented by capital Z and mass number are represented by capital A. We can find the number of proton from the atomic number. We always find the number of proton from the atomic number. So the number of proton are always equal to the atomic number. So the atomic number are the number of proton. So here we can see the atomic number of oxygen is 8. So here the number of protons are 8 for oxygen atom. Next we will find the number of neutron. The number of neutron, we can find the number of neutron by subtracting atomic number from the mass number. So we write the formula for finding the number of neutron, that is mass number, which is represented by capital A, and atomic number, which is represented by capital Z. And here we take the example of oxygen. So the mass number of oxygen are 16 and atomic number of oxygen is 8. So we can subtract the atomic number from the mass number. Then we find the number of neutron. So here the number of neutron are 8 by subtracting atomic number from the mass number. So in this way we can find the number of neutron. Now comes to the number of electron. How can we find the number of electron of an atom or element? So there are three conditions for finding the number of electron. First, if an atom is neutral. If an atom is neutral, then the number of proton are always equal to the number of electron. If the atom are in neutral state, then the proton are equal to the number of electron, or electron are equal to the number of proton. So indirectly we can find the number of electron from the number of proton. Here you can see the number of proton are 8. So automatically the number of, if we have ions, then there are two conditions. First, for positive ion, if we have an element X and it carry positive charge, for positive charge we have a formula, that is number of electron are equal to proton minus positive charge. So we subtract simply the positive charge number from the number of proton. For example, we have sodium ion. It carry +1 charge. Its number of proton are 11 So we subtract its positive number, that is plus 1, with from the number of proton, that positive number, that is number of proton are 11, and positive, here the positive number is 1, so the number of electron are 10. Number of electron can be find if we have a positive number, then we subtract the number of positive number from the number of proton. And if we have a negative ion, then we add this negative ion into the number of proton. For example, we have chloride ion, and chloride ion have atomic number 17 and mass number 35, and here you can see the number of proton are 17, that is proton number plus the negative ions number. So proton number are 17 and negative ion, that is 1. So we have the number of electron in chloride are 18. So we can find the number of electron by adding an ionic number into the number of proton. So proton are, for chloride and proton are 17 and an ionic number is 1, we get the number of electron are 18. So we have a simple trick to find the number of electron in an ion. If a positive ion, we subtract the cationic number from the number of proton, we find the number of electron, and for an ionic number we can find the number of electron by adding an ionic number into the number of proton. That's for all today, the learner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.